Welcome to Pugh Gardens. Let me tell you about a little patch of Oklahoma prairie that's been transformed into something truly special. It's a place where nature thrives and people come to connect, learn, and just breathe a little easier. But this garden didn't just appear overnight. It's the result of years of hard work, big dreams, and a whole lot of love from two people who saw potential in the land where most people saw, well, nothing. Daniel and Ruth Pugh, the heart and soul behind Pugh Gardens. Back in 2002, they moved to this land and built their home. At first, it was just open prairie, dry, tough, and not exactly screaming botanical garden. But to them, it was a blank canvas. They could see the beauty it could become. They started small, just a few flower beds around the house, but every year they added more. A flower bed here, a nature trail there, and slowly the garden began to grow. Now, building a garden in central Oklahoma isn't exactly a walk in the park. The soil's tough, the weather's unpredictable, and water doesn't come easy. There were plenty of times they could have thrown in the towel, but they didn't. They figured out how to work with what they had, using native plants that could handle the tough conditions and learning how to conserve water. Every challenge was just another reason to keep going. After years of hard work, in 2020, Pugh Gardens opened its doors to the public. It didn't take long for people to notice just how special this place is. It's been featured on gardening shows and newspapers and even became a go-to spot for community events. Schools bring their students here for field trips. Couples choose it as the backdrop for their weddings. Families come for a day out to walk the trails or enjoy a picnic. It's become a place for everyone. Looking at the gardens now, it's hard to imagine what this place used to look like. Today, it's a living, breathing ecosystem filled with flowers, trees, butterflies, and birds. It's the kind of place where you can wander for hours and still find something new around every corner. From the koi pond to the shaded trails, every inch of this place has been carefully thought out and lovingly cared for. Over the years, Pugh Gardens has become more than just a pretty place. It's a spot where people come to relax, to learn, and to feel a little more connected to the world around them. It's also a place where the community comes together. Volunteers have spent countless hours planting flowers, restoring trails, and making sure this place continues to thrive. And the impact is huge. Kids learn about plants, families make memories, and visitors leave feeling refreshed and inspired. But none of this happens without support. Running a garden like this takes a lot of work and resources. And in 2021, the garden faced one of its biggest challenges yet: a fire that destroyed parts of the trails and damaged the land. Now, the goal is to rebuild and make the garden even better than before, and that's where you come in. Pugh Gardens needs your help. We, Daniel and Ruth, need your help. Your support can make sure this garden continues to be a place of beauty and inspiration for years to come.